Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce you to some authentic North Indian cuisine that I enjoyed with the hospitality of an Indian family. Let's enjoy this delicious cuisine filled with aromatic spices and the warmth of home cooking together. In India, we use the Indus River to trade spices with Egypt and other countries. Spice-heavy cuisine took root before the Common Era. For staples, rice in South India, where rice farming is popular, and bread in North India, which is heavily influenced by the Middle East. The characteristics of North and South India are very different, such as the difference in staple foods. North India is famous for dishes baked in a special oven called tandoor. They also use a lot of butter and yogurt and are characterized by a strong rather than spicy flavor. There are many kinds of bread called roti. I would like to introduce them along with the dishes.
This is Matar Paneer.
Looks like curry, not curry.
Yes, it's curry. Curry means gravy.
Ah, this is
Matar
curry.
Paneer gravy.
Is it tofu?
Yeah.
Ah, tofu.
Yeah, a
Okay.
species of tofu. What cheese?
Mata paneer is a dish made by simmering peas and paneer, a tofu-like cheese in a tomato-based curry. It is a popular dish in India, where there are many vegetarians. It is characterized by a smooth taste that combines spices. The moment you put it in your mouth, the soft paneer melts, and the spices and the acidity of the tomatoes are exquisitely intertwined for a delicious taste. The sweetness of the peas is added to create an addictive creamy flavor. It is very satisfying when eaten with bread. Let's talk about bread, a staple food. In a broad sense, roti refers to all Indian breads. As shown in this diagram, there are many types of roti with different types of flour, cooking utensils, and cooking methods. Naan is popular in Japanese restaurants, but Indian homes often do not have large tandoori ovens to bake naan, so chapati and paratha baked on a hot iron plate are popular. This is chapati. It is a flat roti made from flour and water. It is a simple dish that has existed since before the Christian era and is baked directly over a fire to create a fragrant aroma. It is light and healthy because no oil is used. It is simple, but the fluffy and light texture is addictive. It is especially fragrant when freshly baked and is great with curry. Spreading it with butter oil called ghee enhances the richness and doubles the deliciousness. This is paratha. It is made by kneading flour, baking it in layers like a millefeuille, and then spreading butter on top before eating. It is often stuffed with onions and other vegetables or meat.
美味しいです。ちょっとね、玉ねぎが入ってサクサクしてるところがいいですね。
The outside is crunchy, the inside is soft, and the buttery flavor is irresistible. Biryani is a spicy rice dish. It is said to have been introduced to India from Persia during the Mughal Empire, and its main ingredients are spices, rice, and chicken or mutton. It has a rich taste of saffron and garam masala, and is often eaten with yogurt and salad. It's very spicy but has a very deep flavor and is delicious. The spices are thoroughly absorbed into the rice. It's spicy but becomes mild when eaten with yogurt. It's a hearty dish, but it's so appealing that you can't help but eat more and more. Biryani is known to have been a favorite dish of the kings of the Mughal Empire in India.
はい、今日のお昼ご飯です。たっぷりですね。ヘルシー。
Let me introduce some side dishes. Tori ki sabzi is a vegetable dish made with loofah. It is often eaten in northern India. It has a strong spicy taste and a crunchy texture. Lobia is a dish made with black-eyed peas which are rich in protein and fiber. It is cooked with simple spices and used in curries and salads. It's simple but comforting.
This is Raita.
Raita.
In Hindi we call it Raita.
Raita.
And it is mixed with cucumber and roasted cumin and a bit of salt and pepper.
Raita. A yogurt-based dish, it is served as a palate cleanser after spicy dishes.
Chicken curry?
Chicken curry.
Okay, good.
Bihari style chicken curry.
Bihari style?
Yeah.
Oh, what is Bihari?
A place in India.
Place.
Yeah. Every Indian place have their own cuisine, have their own flavors. So this is Bihari style.
Ah, okay. Spicy?
Yes, a bit of, not that much.
Not so much. Okay.
Bihari chicken curry is a spicy chicken curry that originated in Bihar, an eastern Indian state. It is characterized by the use of chicken marinated in a variety of spices, yogurt, garlic and ginger and cooked slowly. In the past, local farmers would eat this nutritious curry to regain their strength after working long hours. It is also a standard dish for family and friends who gather for weddings and other events. The spices hit you the moment you take a bite. The chicken is tender and the aroma of the spices is well absorbed. It is spicy, but the yogurt adds a mellowness that creates an exquisite balance.
So in India, the dinner time is around 9. It is common.
Yeah.
Common. Oh, it's so
What
late.
time do you have dinner generally?
6 p.m. or 7
really?
p.m.
6 p.m. is our snack time.
Yeah.
Snack time is 3 p.m. 3 p.m.
We
in
made
our
lunch
campus.
for us.
Lunch? Lunch time is 12. So different.
In India, people have breakfast at 9 a.m., lunch at 2 p.m., a snack at 5 p.m., and dinner around 9 p.m. This is because it is 2 to 3 hours later than in Japan. The markets are busy even at night. For snack time, I had a chai. Chai in India is a sweet milk tea. It is a culture that continues from the cultivation of black tea that began during the British colonial period. It is characterized by simmering black tea leaves with milk, sugar, and spices such as cardamom and cinnamon. It is a warm, sweet, and fragrant beverage.
はい、ちょっと冷ましてから飲んだ方がいいよって言われました。チャイ。
Hello.
Hi. Nice accommodation.
Do you like this video? This time I introduced you to North Indian home cooking. The Kanika family, who run a guest house in Delhi, cooperated with me for this video. During my stay, she cooked a lot of home-cooked meals for me. Of course, they also offer comfortable accommodation at reasonable prices. If you'd like to experience home cooking, you should definitely visit them. Next time, I'll explore the further appeal of North Indian cuisine by introducing the food of a restaurant in Delhi. Let's continue our journey of taste together. ごちそうさま!